Adil Ahmed, and I'm the Sports Entertainment Activities Assistant Manager on the island. The best part of my job is planning and helping my team to give the best service to our guests. What the guests only see are the frontliners, but they don't know there are more staff behind the scene who ensure everything is in place and on order. What motivates me is my team. We make sure to prepare events and activities for our guests to enjoy. What makes Vilamendhoo special is not only the island, but most especially the service that we provide. My favorite spot on the island is our house reef because we do have the chances to see the whale sharks and manta rays from our house reef.